everybody. Today I'm going to teach you about one of my favorite skills, MIG welding, or GMAW welding. Before we get started, we have to check a couple things. Making sure we have our safety glasses, jacket, a welding helmet, as well as gloves on top of our welder. Our welder's up there. It's already set with this pre-settings and everything we need to do, as well as we need to make sure that we have our MIG gun and our piece of material that we want to use. So with that being said, now we're going to break down into how MIG welding works. So there's this wire in there. That is what creates our weld. Sorry, so you can kind of see it. To ultimately produce these welds. So how do we do that? So doing that, oops, sorry my helmet fell. We're making circles, consistent circles, as we're making our pass. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that for you. Oops.